The sixth edition of the Bahrain International Airshow 2022 took off yesterday at the Sakhir Air Base under the patronage of His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa, King of the Kingdom of Bahrain, and was officially opened by His Royal Highness Prince Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa, Crown Prince, Deputy Supreme Commander and Prime Minister. Celebrating a decade of distinction, the sixth edition of Bahrain International Airshow is offering an exciting program of new features, industry-leading content, and a first-class networking experience with key regional decision-makers. At the airshow, the majority of businesses showcased their aircraft. Perhaps one of the most attractive Emirates Airlines showed their A380 with an Embraer Phenom 100E from the Emirates Flight Training Academy. A Boeing 787 from Gulf Air was on show. Attack planes and different military training aircraft were also displayed here. 5 passengers can board a Cirrus Mini private plane, which was on show. Pakistan showed its J-17 aircraft at the airshow, along with numerous multi-mission aircraft from the United Air Force, fighter jets, and artillery launchers. Additionally present at the airshow was a U.S. Hercules C-130J aircraft. The airshow is organized by the Bahrain Ministry of Transportation and Telecommunications and the Royal Bahraini Airforce in association with Farnborough International. The first day of the airshow saw multiple deals and partnerships announced between leaders in the aviation and aerospace community. In addition, Gulf Air and Emirates officially signed a unilateral codeshare partnership starting this December. The new agreement will offer easy connections and expanded choices for Gulf Air customers, connecting to Dubai and onwards to a host of Emirates destinations across Europe, Africa, South America and the Far East. A Boeing 787 operated by Gulf Air was seen fly past. And the other planes that participated in the airshow's aerobatic display. Comment here and let us know what you thought of the Bahrain International Airshow.